Hi, everybody. Welcome to a special edition of Deep Six, the Deep State. Just a few minutes ago, the Department of Justice and the Inspector General referred the Andrew McCabe case to federal prosecutors for criminal prosecution. Now, this is very significant. In fact, except for the irrelevant indictments that Mueller loves to pursue, this is really the first criminal referral that is directly on point with any of these election campaign issues. And obviously it consists of his mishandling of Hillary Clinton's private email server and the possible conflict of interest of his wife receiving $700,000 in campaign donations from sources connected with the Hillary campaign while Andrew was in charge of the Hillary investigation. It also may relate to, they may see a special prosecutor and a U.S. attorney, they're the same, can get into any other matter that comes before his jurisdiction, any crime he discovers as he's investigating. And this could well get into the Uranium One scandal, where McCabe was one of the people that basically downplayed it and did not bring it to the attention of the Committee on Foreign Investments. It also could very likely go into the FISA warrant situation, where McCabe did not tell the FISA court that the Trump dossier, on which the FISA warrants, at least of Christopher Page and probably others, was based, Carter Page and others were based, was funded by the Democratic Committee and by Hillary's campaign. It also is an indictment right in the heart of the FBI. This guy was in charge, deputy director of the whole agency, and specifically in charge of any of these election-related investigations. And the prosecutor now has a hunting license, really, to dig deeply into this and clean out that cavity, that oral cavity in the FBI that was inhabited by Clinton supporters. Bruce Orr of the Justice Department, his wife who worked for Fusion, the star-crossed lovers, the most famous one since Romeo and Juliet, Peter Strzok and Lisa Page, or any of the other figures who are so deeply enmeshed in this situation and so compromised by their partisan zeal that overrode the ethics and the laws, probably, of how much a federal agency can do to interfere in a U.S. election in progress. So this is enormously important. There's also a report that Rudy Giuliani, who is the best guy in the country at prosecution and defense, by implication, may join the Trump's legal team. So great day. We're doing good. So please share this around with everybody. This video is sponsored by the Patriot Gold Group, as they all are. And as the U.S. is raising tariffs on the Chinese, and China is lowering the value of its currency to try to slip the goods into the United States anyway, and the Fed is about to raise interest rates twice, you really could see a massive inflation coming to the United States, and very possibly a recession or a stagflation like we had in the early years of the 80s and late 70s. So, and with the Dow dropping and reflecting this, this could be a very good time for you to consider putting your money in gold, which doesn't go up or down like crazy. It grows at a steady pace of 10 to 15% a year. And the Patriot Gold Group, whose phone number is attached here, would be a good place to put it. And it's called thepatriotgoldgroup.com. Thanks a lot.